Okay, so Ayman, since you are here in China, you have to learn something about Chinese.
Yeah, please, because nobody speaks English, only you.
So, I know that Chinese characters look like very complicated and strange to you. So I'm going to teach you some basic information about the Chinese characters.
Please.
So the Chinese character is more like paint. For example, when you see a movie, Bruce Lee, he have very kind of famous from a movie said, "Be water, my friend." So I'm going to teach you how to write in Chinese water.
So can you teach me after this how to do Kung Fu? Or only letters?
The hometown of Bruce Lee is like 1 hour away from from here, so maybe we can go to his hometown.
We can go, yeah.
So the water is like this, a river water.
Yeah.
So then they change to something like this water, and this is the current way how we write water.
Okay.
So another example, for example, this is I.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it's changing like this is I.
Okay.
And then this is how we write I.
But this I see it's same this way but inverted.
I don't know why they just feel like to
even water.
Yeah, standardize the way they are writing. So
this looks similar, but this totally different.
Which one?
Like this from this totally different.
Same. Look.
They remove the bending edges and they make it like straight lines.
Like lines, straight lines.
Okay.
For example, this is I.
Okay.
This means like cry.
Oh yeah.
Cry.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, this. Let me think. Okay. So this is like moon.
Oh.
Okay. Then they paint like this way. Moon. Okay. This is moon. Now we are right moon.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is like sun. Asian time.
Okay.
This is how they write sun.
Okay.
And then they become something like this, sun. And then now we are writing in this way. Okay, this is sun. And now we know this is sun. This is sun. So we have a ground.
Okay.
This means sunrise. Sun rise from the ground. Okay, now we know this is ground. Okay. This is ground. And we have another one here. It means sky.
Okay.
Ground, sky. And between the ground, sky, we have people in the middle. And we have someone connecting the ground, the sky, and the people.
And who is this?
And this is the king. And this is the king. So I think you got an idea how the Chinese characters getting from the Asian time to the current character.
Each letter really have a story.
Yeah, behind.
Talk.
酒店费用。
OK。
是什么？我也听不懂。号吗？不行 ，no。
Thank you so much, Mr. Sven Repair, for teaching me how to write in Chinese. After, he will take me to the Kung Fu school. Guys, Repair are amazing. People supporting me since very long time, and I love them. I love supporting them. Some people asking me, do I trust Repair? Definitely I trust Repair. Thank you, Sven. Thank you so much.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you. Yalla, see you guys.